So, I just want to talk a bit about supporting your local CNC mill pushers than the Chinese. The Chinese ain't bad, of course, but there's a difference with quality. This here, for instance, got these, I think they're called ball spindles. See if you can see the difference here. They're a bit special. This here don't move at all, have no play. I got one underneath. I don't know if you can see it here as well. And the bearings I got here are linear. Linear bearings, they are a lot different than just having a round bar in there. Here, this here is self-lubricating, meaning I lube it here with a grease gun. Not that kind of grease gun. And these here stay in place. They don't move. They're more rigid. I would dare say that they're better quality than what you get with one of them usual Chinese spindles, who are cheap. But see what you can get. I got this one used for 450 euros here in Germany, made here in Germany from a local dude, very nice. He makes some, sells some sometimes, and when he's done playing with them. This here is, I know this is really crudely made, but actually serves my purposes. This here is made with what you use for drawers from IKEA, I would say. Also on down here on this is the Y. And the X is up here, and the Z here, of course. And these here use normal threaded bars, and using normal threaded bars to these spindles here is such a difference. They're way more exact. They're made for this. This here is a bit different, but principle is the same. They're just better made for this. These here works as well. This served me good, great for polycarbonate and just a bit of aluminum. And I got some, I think 1.5 amp motors on here with the gearing 1, 2, 3. I think, I'm not that sure, but it's a great mill to start on. It's kind of slow. That's also the reason I want a new one, and because here I can mount some bigger stuff on here. But this is in way more, well, exact. It's better made. I just need to get some fittings that I can put a motor on here. I don't know what kind of magic he used, but there are a lot of different motors out there, and could be that his NEMA 17 here had a shorter bar, and one as well here would be pretty short though. But we're getting there, So, look if you have something locally which is better quality like this. This here, look, it wraps around the whole spindle. It's not just a round bore. This here only moves in this direction. It has no play any other way. They can't turn. It's just better. Shop locally.